Before you spray, spread, and fertilize, do me one favor. I need you to stop and check your weather forecast. This simple step can save you money, time, and frustration with your lawn and gardening. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Stephanie's DIY Yard. If you're a homeowner trying to maintain your lawn and garden without spending a fortune on professional services, you're in the right place. On this channel, we focus on practical and budget-friendly lawn care tips that anyone can follow. Today's budget lawn care tip, it's simple, but it can save you a lot of wasted money. Always, and I mean always, check the forecast before applying any lawn care products. This includes things like fertilizer, fungicide, weed control, soil and soil treatments. Why does this matter? Because rain can wash away your products before they even have time to work. If you apply a treatment and it rains an hour, few hours later, you may not have given your treatment time to work, and you are literally washing money down the drain. Not only does that waste product, but you'll likely have to reapply your application, doubling your cost. For example, if you use a liquid on weed control, and then it turns right around and it starts to rain within the next hour, that treatment did not have time to soak into the leaves of the weeds, and it washes that product away. Now you're stuck with weeds still growing, and you're going to have to go buy a new bottle of product, when all you simply had to do was check that weather forecast to make sure rain was not going to be coming in to disrupt your treatment. A quick 10-second check on your phone, which we all have and we pretty much keep them with us all the time. Check that phone to check that weather could have prevented that and saved you time and money. A good rule of thumb is to apply any treatment when you have a block of at least 24 hours of dry weather. That gives the product time to activate and do its job. Now, let's say you're going to use a granule fertilizer or a granule weed control. A granule is going to need to be watered in typically 24 to 48 hours of your application. In this case, you definitely want to work with the rain forecast. If the rain is coming within 24, 48 hours, bam, that is your key. Plop that granule down, knowing that rain is coming and it's going to do the work for you, costing you nothing, versus you having to water that in for a couple of hours. And as we know, it's not cheap to run your water. And you want to really conserve that time of watering at a time in the summer where you're not getting any water, where you're going to have to water your lawn. So ration that out. In the spring, work with the weather. In the summer, you are going to have to water because you might get a whole month where there's no rain. Rain isn't in the forecast, and you're going to have to water that lawn once a week. So save that money in the spring that you're going to have to use in the summer. So remember, before applying any products, Check the weather forecast. It's the easiest way to help control your lawn care budget. If you found this helpful, please stick around. Come back because I'll be posting more lawn care budget friendly tips that's going to help us get through this spring, summer, and fall. It's also going to help out us homeowners keep our lawns looking great without spending a fortune. Thanks for watching. Please, if this was helpful, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next tip.